guys, today's going to be a special edition, crowd favorite, Rob's Random Stuff. We already have some butter on here. I'm just going to put a little more butter. I'm going to do some shrimp fried rice. All the comments saying they want to see me do another shrimp fried rice, so we're going to go ahead and do that. This is ice cold white rice. Cooked a couple hours ago, put in the fridge. You want this dry and cold. I'm just gonna put this on. Let that sizzle away. How's that sound, Robert?
Very good.
Very sizzling, right? Spices we're gonna use today: garlic, salt, pepper, ginger, all grounds. Fresh ground black, of course. Just gonna lightly season this for now. Go ahead, get our shrimp on. Large shrimp. Get that started. Flatten these out. Get a nice sear. Also seasoned. Right now, grill temperature 375. Get yourself one of these cheap hands infrared thermometers. Good stuff. And we'll do a little more. Like our shrimp with the spice on there. You can hear that sizzling up. Go ahead and just add a little soy sauce right off the bat. Also, we got plenty of butter. We're going to go ahead, shoot a little water in the rice, get some steam, cover it up. It's going to make it cook real fast. We're also going to be adding a little different take, just some fresh green beans. We're also going to have frozen peas at the end. We'll mix that all in once we combine it. So we're going to let all this cook. Probably about 5 minutes. We'll cut back. We'll flip over the rice. We'll see if we got some nice crisp on it. So we'll see in a minute. Alright guys, it's been about 5-6 minutes. Let's see how this is looking here. Give it a little flip. Oh. Getting nice. Got a little crisp on the bottom there. Get all this back. Rice is getting some moisture back in it from having it covered in a little bit of water, some butter in there. Let's flip over these shrimp. These are coming along. I'm not going to combine anything till the end. And everything will have a nice sear on it. Let the shrimp keep going and get some veggies on. Steam on these. Like a little crunch on the veggies. So we'll just bring it over. Right, a little more in the rice. And we need a little seasoning. And put that rice all over. The rice is most of the flavor. Make sure that's good and seasoned. Got a lot of rice there. A little bit of the shrimp, and a little more soy sauce, of course, low sodium. That should be more than enough. All right, I'm going to cover all this up, and see how this is looking. You never want to overcook shrimp, but you don't want to undercook them either. Temp check. We're looking about 355 or so we're all right. All right, we're gonna let that sizzle away. Another 5 minutes, we should be ready to combine everything. See you in a couple minutes. All right, guys, looking pretty good, smelling really good. So we're gonna go ahead and add hoisin, just a bean sauce, sweet, not spicy. It gives a really super nice flavor. I like a lot of it. It's also a lot of rice there. So we're good with that. Cover that out later. See our veggies looking good. We're going to start combining everything now. With that crust. Now that's what you want. A little bit of crust on the rice. And make sure you incorporate that hoisin. Everything else. Again, this isn't traditional Chinese restaurant fried rice. This is just my version. I had a lot of comments saying make that again. Very satisfying to watch. Everybody was hungry to eat it in the house, so making it again. You can see the rice is looking real good. Nice brown color all the way through. Let that spread out just a touch. Let's see how these shrimp are looking. Shrimp are looking good. A nice crust on these as well. So they're cooked. Alright, we're going to let this sizzle away for just a second. We'll add our peas, combine it all together, and we're going to plate it up. See you in a minute. Alright guys, last ingredients here. Frozen peas. We'll defrost in 2 seconds and incorporate a bit of moisture. Here's the moment everybody loves to watch. Combining of everything. It really turns into what we all know is shrimp fried rice. Of course, again, it's my version. This isn't Chinese restaurant version, but people commented they tried it, they loved it, they wanted to see me cook it again. So, cooking it again. My family loves it as well. Easy to cook. Just remember, cook that rice first. Put it in the fridge after it cools off a bit. Uncovered. You really want that rice to be as cold and dry as possible. And what that does, makes it nice and broken up, but it does absorb some moisture when it's back on the grill and you add the water. You don't want it sticking together either because you don't want clumpy fried rice. You want it to be a good mouthfeel. Alright, we're going to plate this up. This is done. That smells good, that's for sure. You can see these long metal spatulas come in handy for plating as well. Alright guys, hopefully you love the way it looks. We're going to love the way it tastes in a couple minutes here. So don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you on the next cook.